Good afternoon, my dear students. In our previous class, we studied division. We also studied properties of division and division of a number by 10, 100 and 1000. Today we will learn how to divide a number by one digit, means division by one digit number. I am going to solve an example. You try to understand this example. Example 1 is divide 2859 by 6. Divide 2859 by 6 and write quotient and remainder. Also write quotient and remainder. Now see the solution of this example. We have number 2859. It is our dividend and we have divisor 6. We have to divide 2859 by 6. Now the most less digit here is 2, which is less than 6. So it can't be divided, means 2 cannot be divided by 6. So we will take 2 digits. We will take 2 digits and then we will divide. We read table of table of 6 to reach near 28. When we read table, then 6 4 will be 24, which is near to 28. If we are taking number 30, that is 6 5 then 30, that will be greater than 28. We have not to take number greater than this, we have to take number less than or equal to this 28. So here and then we will subtract. 8 minus 4, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. That is cancelled. Now one digit we take here, it will become 45. Again we think the table of 6, which is near to 45. 6 7 42. So here it will be 42. We will subtract 5 minus 2, 3 will come, and 4 minus 4, 0. Now 9 is left here, so it will come down. Again we think the table of 6, which is near to 39. So 6 6 36. Now we subtract 9 minus 6 is 3 and 3 minus 3 cancel. Means we have 3 here, which is less than 6 and no other digit present which will come down. So this division is completed. And now our question is (476) and remainder 3. Remainder 3. By this way, you have to solve questions of exercise 7.2. I am going to solve one question of the exercise, question number 1. Now see the solution. Now I am taking this example. Solution of question number 1, which is given: find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. And first question is given 2456 divided by 9. 2456 divided by 9. So we will divide. We will write here 2456 as division, and here we write 9 as division. So we will start to divide this one. We are seeing the most place digit is 2, which is smaller than 9. So we have to take 2 digits. Then we will think the table of 9, the number which is near to 24. So 9 to the 18. Always remember, we have to write a number which is less than the number here. Then we will subtract 4 minus 8. Now 8 is greater than 4, so we cannot subtract. In this case, we have to take borrow. Means it is the case of subtraction with borrowing. One borrow will take here, then 1 10 will come here. It will become 14 ones, and from 14 we can subtract 8. It will come 6, and this will be left 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. That will be cancelled. Next is we have to take down. So 5 will come here. Again we have to read the table of 9, which is near 65. So 9 7 63. We will subtract it. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 6, 0. Now 6 will come down. Again we read table of 9, which come here 28. So 9 to the 18 minus. Now 8 is greater than 6, so we cannot subtract 8 from 6, so we will take borrow. Now 1 borrow here means 1 10 will come, then it will come 16 ones, and 16 ones minus 8, and it will be left 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So in this case, our quotient is 272 and remainder is equal to 8. This is our answer. So like this we will divide the numbers which is given in this exercise, that is exercise number 7.2. Your homework is exercise 7.2. Thank you.